Hey guys, welcome. If you are new here, real brief, I'm Kendra Nix, wife, mom, CEO, business educator, friend, cheerleader, uh, that girl. So I'm coming to you right quick, as you can see out at the park already. Like I said, mom too, so I have to juggle. But I want to come to you right quick in regards to Q4. I know we see a lot of things in the news, and people are, I won't say afraid, but hesitant to get things rocking and rolling. And if it was me and I was new, this is what I would do in Q4. Did I just rhyme? So in Q4, I would start my business if this is something that you want to do. FYI, everyone is not meant to be a business owner, because I know I see the quote all the time. You're gonna, if you don't work for yourself, you're gonna work for somebody else, and that is okay. I promise you that is okay. So, for those who want to be a business owner and want to put in the work, because your 40 will turn into 80, will turn into 90, will turn into 120. So, you will do multiple jobs when you're first starting. I always tell people, do not try to put all their eggs in a basket financially when they're first starting, and start lean and scale up. So, first thing, I just said to start lean and scale up. Second thing for Q4, network. Go to Eventbrite, sam.gov, your local chamber, different websites like that, to see what type of events that are out there that you can attend, so you can what? Get your name out there, get your business out there, and grow your business. Second, I would make sure that I do have some type of social media presence, okay? Make sure you have some type of social media presence so people can know who you are after you've left the event. Because at the end of the day, you want them to remember you, know, like, and trust. And you may not be in that area. Sorry, like I said, you may not be in that area. However, they can follow you on social media. Promote yourself, promote yourself, promote yourself. I don't care who gets tired of seeing you say, "Hi, my name is Kendra Nix." Go to kendranix.com. Promote yourself. Because at the end of the day, you may not be for John, but you may be for Jane. I'm rhyming this morning, okay, guys? Third, I would get set up with sam.gov, your state website, and also your local city website. Momming. So that's why you see my eyes looking around. Go ahead and register. Make sure you set up with them. So guess what you can do? Start looking at contracts. Start looking at bids. Start seeing what's out there that you can bid on that's in your expertise. Now, I had a young lady reach out to me, and she wanted to know, like, what's the best way to start? If you know you cannot financially, mentally, physically handle a contract by yourself, it is okay to subcontract, y'all. It is okay to work under big boy to make sure that you can handle your contracts. People do it all the time. People make millions off of it. I started my first contract. I was a subcontractor under the big boy in Jacksonville. They said, "Hey, this is what we need you to do." I said, "Okay, is the check going to clear?" The check's cleared, okay? So you have to remember that. Another thing, follow the money. If you listen to the news, you will see that there's an influx of money going to certain areas. Follow the money. At the end of the day, the government, state, local, federal, is still going to spend coins. Somebody has to cut the grass. Somebody has to do the catering. Somebody has to do the HVAC. Somebody has to do the toilet, the plumbing. It has to be done. The government is not going out there and doing it themselves. You will not see your local senator doing that. Okay. So follow the money. Stay up on current events. Don't let the noise get you. Stay away from the noise. Stay away from the naysayers and say, "No, don't do it." Because there's more ways to skin a cat, just like there's more ways to win a contract. You don't have to go federal. You can go state. Once again, another company I work with, like I tell them all the time, when you're driving down the highway and you see a truck on the side, look at the name on the logo. I guarantee you in some cities it will be. It won't say city of so-and-so. It may say ABC Lawn Care or ABC Company. That's a small business. So that should be your motivation. Say, okay, I'm a lawn care. I don't want to do residential all the time. Let me get some commercial jobs. Boom, there you go. So ignore the naysayers. What was the song back in the day? It says, if you really, really want it, all you got to do is what? It said get up on it, but we're going to say bid up on it, okay? So Q4, don't be afraid. Network, go out there, register, get your name out there, get your marketing out there. You can use Canva to start. There's a girl that I follow on social media that her, what is her social media tag? I'll tag it below. I love her work, love her work. And she does some stuff on Etsy. So I'll tag her. I'll tag her so you can see her work, because she does do an amazing job. Like, yeah, girl crush when it comes to marketing. Market yourself. Look at contracts that are available. Bid on them. The only way you're going to actually learn how to bid correctly is actually bidding. You have to go out there and do it, and don't be afraid to put the pen to the paper or put your finger on the keys. And there's tools that you can use. Hello, I think everybody knows all these lovely tools that are out here that can help you with your proposal. So Q4, don't be afraid of it. Let's rock it out, because Q4 is also going to prepare you. Sorry, looking at the dog. Q4 is also going to prepare you for Q1. So let's get it done.